There are dozens of ways to build a business around cars, but they don't require the same capital, staff, equipment, or tolerance for risk. This ranking compares 13 automotive business ideas for a first-time or growth-minded owner, judged on 5 factors: startup burden, fixed overhead, staffing complexity, demand stability, and the opportunity to increase customer value. Local demand and execution always matter, but this is a useful way to compare the operating models behind the headlines. Number 13, the tunnel car wash. High volume and membership revenue, but it demands major real estate, expensive construction, and a strong location. It scales well. Getting the site wrong is enormously costly. Number 12, collision and bodywork. High-value insurance jobs, but a complex operation requiring specialized labor, equipment, insurer relationships, and long repair cycles. One for experienced operators, not a casual entry. Number 11, the used car dealership. Meaningful profit per vehicle, but inventory ties up capital. Financing, licensing, vehicle quality, and market swings all create risk, and buying mistakes get expensive. Number 10, the self-serve car wash. Less labor than most automotive businesses, but real estate, utilities, maintenance, and limited upsell options restrict the model. It feels passive. The site and equipment still need attention. Number 9, the tire shop. Tires serve an essential need and open the door to balancing, rotation, and alignment. The challenge is inventory, equipment, staffing, and big box competition. Operationally heavier than it first appears. Number 8, general auto repair. Consistent need-based demand, but skilled labor is the limit. Recruiting and keeping experienced technicians becomes the bottleneck, and diagnostics add complexity. Number 7, quick lube and oil change. Repeat visits and fast transactions. Success depends on volume, location, and a team that keeps speed without sacrificing trust. Price competition and turnover make it demanding. Number 6, car and fleet rentals. Recurring revenue that scales in the right market. But depreciation, insurance, repairs, and fleet financing all need careful management. An idle vehicle still costs money. Number 5, car audio and remote start installation. Appeals to enthusiasts and creates premium upgrades that complement other services. The challenges are technical training, changing technology, and inventory going outdated. Number 4, shop-based detailing. A fixed location gives a controlled environment and room to sell paint correction and premium packages. Easier to brand than a mobile service, but rent, staffing, and equipment raise overhead. Number 3, standalone vehicle wraps and graphics. Wraps serve consumers and commercial fleets with strong visual results and high-value projects. The work is skill-dependent and mistakes are expensive. As a standalone business, it lives or dies on a steady flow of large projects, which is why wraps perform better inside a broader service menu. Number 2, mobile detailing. One of the lowest barriers to entry. An owner can start with limited equipment, test demand, and operate without a shop, which makes it a great way to learn customer acquisition. The trade-off is weather, travel time, price competition, and revenue tied to the owner's own labor. And number 1, window tinting and automotive restyling. Window tinting combines a focused operating footprint with strong customer demand and several paths to a larger ticket. Tint leads to paint protection film, ceramic coatings, color change wraps, and residential or commercial film work. The service is visual, which supports reviews and local marketing. It solves practical problems like heat, glare, privacy, and UV exposure while appealing to customers who care about appearance and protection. That doesn't mean tinting is easy. Installation quality, training, compliance, and consistent marketing all matter. A busy calendar doesn't guarantee profit if the shop underprices or struggles with rework. The advantage is balance. Against heavy automotive categories, it requires less infrastructure and fewer specialized employees. Against a low-cost solo service, it has more room for premium packages, additional services, and a scalable location-based brand. That balance is why Black Optix Tint is built around more than tint alone. The model combines automotive window tinting, residential and commercial film, paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and color change wraps. When you compare automotive businesses, don't ask only which one produces the biggest headline. Ask which gives you the best relationship between investment, operating complexity, customer demand, and room to grow. For many entrepreneurs, automotive restyling earns the top spot because it brings those factors together in one focused model. Visit blackoptixtintfranchise.com to learn more.